Bundles dripping down my back. Bundles dripping down my back. Cost a stack. Can't tell her how to act. Can't tell her how to act. I got bundles dripping down my back. Cost a stack. Wait, where's my hat? Where is my hat? Hold on. I had to go get my hat because you know she had the hat in the video. Hold on. Boom. What? Back. Cost a stack. Can't tell her how to act. Can't tell her how to act. Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a review for Ywigs on this pre-colored unit that they sent to me. This wig reminded me so much of DreamDoll, so I had to go ahead and do another DreamDoll inspired hair tutorial. You guys know how much I love her. She is just absolutely amazing as far as like style in her hair. Her hair is always laid. So when I saw this color, I instantly had to order it with Ywigs. So if you guys want to know how I got all of this look, then definitely continue watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put this unit on. I put a little bit of orange eyeshadow underneath, you know what I'm saying, trying to give the whole orange theme. Today we have another wig from Ywigs. If it sounds familiar, I did recently work with them and I reviewed a curly wig unit, and I will leave a link down below to that wig, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave it down below. So this is the new wig that we're going to be trying out today. It is orange, and I have been wanting to try this color for the longest. So I was so happy when they went ahead and did this wig for me, because at first they just wanted to send me like a regular, you know, colored wig, but like I've been saying, I am so over like black hair. So I was really happy that they sent this wig. So it did have stuff and I just threw it out now. And it is like a body wig texture. One thing that I already like about this wig is that it's the same color all the way through. And it's pretty long. So let's look in the inside of the wig. So inside construction, we have several combs around the perimeter. So it's one at the top, the sides, and the bottom. And it also comes with adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these combs out real quick. Mostly just like the bottom one. I just kind of want to cut that bottom one out. The other one should be fine. But I noticed like the bottom comb usually causes the wig to kind of buckle in the back and then stick out. So it's best that you cut that one out. Sorry for the gum, but I just feel like chewing gum right now, I'm sorry. So actually, let me go ahead and adjust the straps as well. And I am going to pluck it and everything, but I just want to put the wig on just to see what it's looking like. So I'm not going to keep it in the body wave texture. I am going to end up straightening this wig out. But I just want to see like how it's looking. I love this color. I love it. It has a lot of luster in it, which makes it look like a little synthetic-y, you know? But we're going to straighten it all out. But this is a human hair wig, by the way, just in case you were wondering. So I am looking to do like a middle part today, just like a real sleek middle part. So let me go ahead and part my unit, see what it's looking like. That is not straight at all. Okay, so that's a little bit better. See, I just want like a straight, oh, you know what, actually I want to do like a side part, like straighten but into the side. So yeah, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my unit off and I'm going to put like some makeup underneath. I was thinking about plucking it, which I probably should, but I feel like since I am gonna wear it off to the side, it's really no need to like pluck it, because like you're not even gonna see the hairline that much. But yeah, so I have my electric hot comb right here and it's preheating, so we're gonna use this in a moment. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig unit using this brush and of course my Got2b glue spray. I almost forgot, it did come with some goodies in here. So they do have a return and exchange form. So if there is any issue with your wig, you do have the option to return your unit. So I think that's awesome, because a lot of times, you know, most companies don't really do that. They also have like a customer care line, so if you need to call them, they have a phone number here, and they also have an email listed as well. They also give you a free wig cap, and 2 come in here. I already have a new one on, so I'm gonna save this for another time. And then they also give you an elastic band, so if you need your wig to be more snug and you don't want to have to use like got to be glued or something like that, you can always use these elastic bands to sew them on. Me personally, I don't like using elastic bands because my head is already small, so the adjustable straps do enough. But sometimes, like when the wig is too tight, like it'll give you a headache, because I've done that like a long time ago and never again. the finished look. I just went ahead and straightened it all out. This is my part. Not really happy on my part, I'm not gonna lie to you. Not really a big fan of my part, but overall I really do like this hair. I love how vibrant this color is. I think it looks pretty good on me. There are some kinks in here that I need to straighten out. I did experience some shedding in this wig. I'm not sure the reason why that would be, but it's not like excessive. Like as I run my fingers through the hair, like I'm not experiencing any shedding. But when I was like detangling it, obviously to flat iron the hair, there were some strands that were falling out. But overall, I mean, if flat iron's really nice. This is where it's hitting me. This is like my waist. I have like this bodysuit on or whatever. I feel like all skin tones can pretty much get away with this wig color, as long as you know how to like manipulate it for your skin tone, as far as like, you know, working with the cap and everything. And then hair like this, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. If you're not like a big makeup wearer, I would never suggest wearing colored wig units, because I feel like makeup is kind of what helps tie the whole thing in. Like I would never wear this color if I didn't have makeup on. So if you don't really wear makeup, I wouldn't suggest wearing colored wigs, but if you do, this is something that you should definitely get into, for sure, for sure, for sure. The lace on here is nice as well. It's not like too thin. I'm gonna come up some, or maybe I'll zoom you guys in so you guys can get a good look at it. I mean, like right here it's kind of like a little jagged, but other than that, I mean, the lace on here is pretty nice. I think it blends in really well. Okay guys, so now let me go ahead and give you guys some details on this wig. So this wig is 24 inches long. One thing that I do like about Ywigs is that they have a lot of different colored wigs, and they also sell blonde lace front wigs as well. This of course is a 13x4 lace front unit. This wig was shipped to me via DHL, and I received it within 3 business days. So the shipping time is extremely fast, so you don't have to wait a really long time for your wig unit. So the density of this wig is 200% density. Even right now, when I was like plucking out the part, I had to like literally pluck my part. I've never had to like pluck a part before when parting it. So yeah, they said it is 200% density, but I don't know if it is 200% density or not, like for sure, because I feel like this is more of like a, I don't know, maybe, I mean, it could be 200% density. If you ever had a 200% density wig, you guys can for sure let me know, but this does seem kind of thin to be 200%. I would say this is more so like 180% density max. I don't know if this is 200%, but you guys let me know if you guys ever had, you know, 200% density wig. But I absolutely love this color. It looks so freaking good. I am obsessed. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. The cap size that I have is a medium cap size, but I really should have went for like a smaller cap size, I feel like, because I do feel like in the back it's like bulky, because I can feel it. I can feel it like, because of the adjustable straps, it just is kind of bulky because my head is really small. Like I don't have like an average size head. I have like a very petite small head. If you guys do like this wig and you decide to purchase it, you can use my coupon code Tastemaker during checkout and you can get some money off of your order. I will leave the coupon code down below as well for you guys, so you guys can get some money off. I also wanted to let you guys know that this wig unit is currently on sale right now, so if you do want to pick it up, they do have their prices slashed. So not only can you use my coupon code, but they also have this wig on sale. If you guys want to see more units from Ywigs, definitely check them out on Instagram at Ywigs. You can also go to their store and check out some other reviews. I did notice on their website that they do have video reviews from other YouTubers that have also reviewed their wig. So if you want to see somebody else's review on this wig, there is one other girl on there and she is darker than I am. So if you are like a deeper complexion than me, you guys should definitely go check out her video so you guys can see what this unit will look like on a darker skinned woman, because I am dark skinned, but I'm like in that in between stage. Like she's a lot darker than me. She's more like a, like if we were going by foundation, like I would be dark and then she would be like a deep dark complexion. So yeah, if you are darker than me, you guys should definitely check out her video to see what it looks like on that skin tone. If you are lighter, I haven't seen anyone lighter with this, but obviously DreamDoll had this same kind of color on. I feel like orange is definitely more of a universal color. I feel like most people can get away with it because it's the same thing as like copper, except for this would be maybe like a little bit brighter than that, because this is like definitely like a true orange color. One thing that I was worried about when I was pulling out this wig was that it was going to be too shiny, but as you guys can see, it's not too shiny. It's actually perfect. In my eyes, I think it's pretty perfect. Also, one thing that I feel like a lot of people will like about this unit is that their lace is transparent, meaning that this lace will work for all skin tones. If you guys watch Aaliyah Face, I know one thing that she talks about with like Beauty Forever hair is that their frontals have like a dark tint, so she can't wear them because she's too light to wear that. So she can't wear like Beauty Forever frontals because the lace is really dark on those frontals. But this unit is transparent, so definitely check out Ywigs because all of their wigs come with this transparent lace. Obviously, because you know this is an orange color, you know it's gonna look like this, but if you had like, you know, regular black hair, if you ordered that, their lace is transparent, meaning that it will work for all skin tones. So that's something that you should also keep in mind. I don't think a lot of people talk about that, but I'm glad that she did mention that because I know there are other girls who are out there who are of a lighter skin tone that have issues when trying to wear lace frontals because sometimes the lace is usually on the darker side. I really don't have any complaints about this hair. The only thing, like I said, when I was combing it out during the detangling process, there was some shedding in this wig, but it's not like shedding right now. Like I'm running my fingers through the hair. There's no hair like it's just falling out all over the place, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, it's so silky straight. I mean, even though, you know, it's body wave or whatever, like imagine if I did curl my hair. Like, you see how pretty that would be? Like something like that, and then curled it, which I very much so may do like another wig review with this, maybe like a get ready with me, and then I'll curl my hair so you guys can see what this wig unit looks like curl. So yeah, you guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.